Morning all. Let's start Maths, Grade 6, Chapter 7, Fractions, Subtopic Equivalent Fractions. Learning objectives. After this session, learners will be able to find equivalent fractions for given pairs of fractions, express fractions in their lowest terms. Equivalent fractions. See here, one roti is divided equally among two persons. So each person will get half roti. If two rotis are divided equally among four, then each person will get 2/4 of the roti. If three rotis are equally divided among 6 persons, then each one will get 3/6. Here 2/4 we can also write it as a 1/2 because 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 is a common factor. Similarly 3/6 is 1/2 because 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore we can say that 1/2 is equal to 2/4, 2/4 is equal to 3/6. Thus, fractions where the shares are equal are called equivalent fractions. For example, 1/2, 2/4 and 3/6 are equivalent fractions. Let us see some questions. Figure it out. Find the missing numbers. Here, 5 glasses of juice shared equally among 4 friends is same as dash number of glasses of juice shared equally among 8 friends. Here, whenever the word same as means this is nothing but equivalent fraction. That is nothing but equal symbol here. So we need to fill here how many glasses are equal. The same we need to fill as in the numerical form here. Solution. If 5 glasses of juice are distributed equally among 4 friends, each one will get 5/4 of a glass of juice. If 8 members need 5/4 of a glass of juice, then they need to share 5/4 into 8 glass of juice. Nothing but 4 ones are 4 twos are. 5 into 2 is 10. Here 5/4 into 8 we can write as a 4 ones are 4 twos are 5 twos are 10. So 10 glass of juice is required here. So we need to fill here is same as a 10 glass of juice shared equally among 8 friends. That is 5/4 is equals to 10/8. Thus 5/4 is equals to 10/8. Question number B. Find the missing numbers. 4 kgs of potatoes divided equally in 3 bags is same as 12 kgs of potatoes equally divided in dash bags. So we need to fill this dash here and this number of bags required here. If 4 kgs of potatoes are equally divided among 3 bags, each will have this 4/3 kgs of potato. Each bag will have 4/3 kgs of potatoes. This bag. Then if 12 we need to distribute it up. So how many bags we need to require this one. If 12 kgs of potatoes are equal 4/3 kgs, then we need to divide that one. 12 divided by 4/3 because each bag is having now 4/3. Like this we need to fill it in this 12 like how do this 12 kgs of potatoes. Therefore 12 divided by 4/3 that is equals to 9 because 12 divided by 4/3 into 3/1. 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 into 3 9. So thus 9 bags are required here. So here we need to fill this 9 bags are required. 4/3 is equivalent fraction of 12/9. So therefore 4/3 is equals to 12/9. Figure it out. Subsection C. 7 rotis divided equally among 5 children is same as dash number of rotis divided equally among dash number of children. That is 7/5 is equals to dash. So here we need to find equivalent fraction of the 7/5. Solution. If 7 rotis are divided equally among 5 children, each child will get 7/5 of the roti. If 14 rotis are equally divided among 10 children, each will get as 14/10. So here if 14 rotis are divided among 10, then we will get here 14 divided by 10. Similarly you can say that if 21 rotis are divided among 15 children, each will get as 21 divided by 15 also. This is also an answer. So thus 7/5 is equals to 14/10. In which group will each child will get more chikki? Here, this is a conversation between friends. 1 chikki is divided between 2 children or 5 chikkis divided between among 5 children. See, when 1 chikki is divided between 2 children, this is equally half. When 5 chikkis is divided among 5 children, which one is a get? So we need to compare 1 by 2 and 5 by 8. Because this is among 8 children. This is between 2 children. So, Shabnam replies that one. If 1 by 2 is equals to 4 by 8, we can easily say that clearly 4 by 8 is less than 5 by 8 because they are comparing the numerator. They easily say that. So, the children for whom 5 chikki is divided equally among will get more than those who will get 1 chikki is equally divided among 2. The children of the second group will get chikki each. Now, one more discussion started. If 1 chikki is divided between 2 children, the first part is right, then 4 chikkis are divided among 7 children. Now here, one quantity of chikki is reduced when compared with this one, and this number of children also between 8 to 7 here. So we need to compare there. When 4 chikkis are divided equally among 7 children, each one will get the 4 by 7th of chikki. When 4 chikkis are divided equally among 8 children, each one will get 4 by 8. So thus, now we are comparing that one. Wherever this numerator is equal, then if the denominator is this, then we are comparing that one. Thus, 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 8 because here 8 is greater than 7. But this, as we are dividing into more number of people, less quantity we will get. Therefore, 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 8 and 4 by 8 is equals to 1 by 2. So, therefore, 4 by 7 is greater than 1 by 2. Now, I understood why you multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So, to make this equivalent fraction, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator with this 4. Thus, 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. Comparison of two fractions. Shabnam says to compare the first two groups, we have to find the equivalent fraction of this 3 by 4 and 7 by 10. How about 6 by 10 is equal to 3 by 4 and 21 by 30 is equal to 7 by 10. Here, these are not equivalent fractions. Let us see here. There is a condition, the fractional unit used to be, the two fractions to be same, like 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Both has the same fractional unit 1 by 6. Okay, now they have to make this equivalent fractions. So first one 3 by 4, then they are multiplying with the numerator and denominator with the 2. We are going to get 6 by 8. When we multiply again with this 3 and 3, 3 is a 9 by 12, next 12 by 16, similarly like this. But where we need to stop? We need to stop until both the denominators will be same, that is 4 into 10 is equals to 40. So until this denominator will become the 40, they need to continue. So Muktas, so the product of two denominators is the same, should be. So 3 by 4 and 7 by 10, the product of two denominators will be 40. So they have to continue this fraction like 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12, so on till 30 by 40. Similarly, the second one, they have to continue till they get this 40. So 7 by 10, again second one you multiplying with this 2, 14 by 20 and 21 by 30 and 28 by 40. Now these are, if we observe these two fractions are equivalent fractions of this fraction. So 30 by 40 is 3 by 4, this plus, and 7 by 10 is nothing but 28 by 40. So these are the equivalent fractions of this. Let us see, figure it out. Find equivalent fractions for the given pair of fractions such that fractional units are same. Let us consider given fractions are 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. To find the equivalent fractions, we have to consider the denominators and we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of the denominators 2 and 5 is 10. Therefore, multiply this first fraction by 5. So 7 by 2 is equals to 7 into 5 divided by 2 into 5. Nothing but 35 by 10. And let us multiply second fraction by 2. 3 by 5 is equals to 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 2. Nothing but 6 by 10. Therefore, equivalent fraction with the same denominator are 35 by 10 and 6 by 10. Let us see subsection B, 8 by 3 and 5 by 6. Given fractions are 8 by 3 and 5 by 6. Equivalent fractions of 8 by 3 and 5 by 6 are, we need to find this LCM. LCM of the denominators 3 and 6 is 6. Let us multiply first fraction by 2. Then we are going to get 8 by 3 is nothing but 8 into 2 divided by 3 into 2, nothing but 16 by 6. Similarly, let us multiply first fraction by 1. So, 5 by 6 is equals to 5 by 6. The equivalent fractions of the same denominator are 16 by 6 and 5 by 6. Let us see subsection C, 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Given fractions are 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Equivalent fractions of this to make, we need to multiply the denominators the same. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. To get denominators at 20, let us multiply the first fraction with a 5. Therefore, 3 by 4 is equals to 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5, nothing but 15 by 20. Let us multiply second fraction by 4. Say 3 by 5 is equals to 3 by 4, 3 into 4 divided by 5 into 4. 3 4 is 12, 5 4 is 20. Thus, equivalent fraction for 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 are 15 by 20 and 12 by 20. Let us see D, subsection D. Thus, given fractions are 6 by 7 and 8 by 5. To find equivalent fractions, we have to find LCM of 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So, let us multiply this first fraction by 5, both the numerator and denominator. Therefore, 6 by 7 is equals to 6 into 5 divided by 7 into 5. So, 30 by 35 is. Next one, 8 by 5. Let us multiply the second fraction by 7. So, 8 by 5 is equals to 8 into 7 divided by 5 into 7. So, 56 divided by 35. Therefore, equivalent fraction with the same denominators are 30 by 35 and 56 by 35. Figure it out. Subsection E. 9. The given fractions are 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. Given fractions are 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. So, LCM of the denominators 4 and 2 is 4. Let us multiply the first fraction by 1 because already this denominator is 4. So, therefore, 9 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. And let us multiply the second fraction by 2. So, we are going to get 5 by 2 is equals to 10 by 4 because 5 2 is a 10, 2 2 is a 4. Upon now comparing these equivalent fractions for these values are 9 by 4 and 10 by 4. Figure it out. Find the equivalent fraction for the given pairs of fractions such that fractional units are same. 1 by 10 and 2 by 9. Solution. Given fractions are 1 by 10 and 2 by 9. To find equivalent fraction for 1 by 10 and 2 by 9, we need to make denominators same. Therefore, LCM of 10 and 9 is 90. Let us multiply first fraction by 9. Therefore, 1 by 10 is equals to 9 divided by 90. Because by multiplying 1 with a 9, we will get 9. And 10 with a 9, we will get 90. Let us multiply second fraction by 10. So, 2 by 9 is equals to 2 into 10 divided by 9 into 10, 20 by 90. Therefore, equivalent fraction with the same denominators are 9 by 90 and 20 by 90. Figure it out. Subsection 1G. We need to find the equivalent fraction for 8 by 3 and 11 by 4. Therefore, given fractions are 8 by 3 and 11 by 4. So, to make this equivalent fraction, we need to consider the denominators are 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So, let us multiply first fraction by 4. So, 8 4 is 32 and 3 4 is 12. So, 32 by 12 is a equal fraction to 8 by 3. Similarly, let us multiply second fraction by 3. So 11 by 4 is equals to 11 into 3 divided by 4 into 3, 33 by 12. Therefore, equal fraction with the same denominators are 32 by 12 and 33 by 12. Figure it out. 1h. Find the equivalent fraction for given pairs of fraction such that fractional units are same. H. 13 by 6 and 1 by 9. Solution. Given fractions are 13 by 6 and 1 by 9. To find equivalent fraction, we need to make the denominator same. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. Let us multiply the first fraction by 3. So, 13 by 6 is 13 into 3 divided by 6 into 3. 13 3 is 39. 6 3 is 18. Let us multiply second fraction by 2. 1 by 9 is equals to 1 into 2 divided by 9 into 2. That is equals to 2 by 18. Therefore, equivalent fraction with the same denominators are 39 by 18 and 2 by 18. Expressing a fraction in lowest terms. In any fraction, if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1, then the fraction is said to be lowest terms or in its simplest form. In other words, a fraction is said to be in lowest terms if its numerator and denominators are as small as possible. For example, is the fraction 16 by 20 in lowest terms? No, because 4 is a common factor for 16 and 20. So therefore, 16 and 20 can be reduced to lowest terms by dividing the numerator with 4. Therefore, 16 divided by 4 divided by 20 by 4, that is equals to 4 by 5. Therefore, 4 by 5 is the lowest terms of the 16 by 20. Figure it out. Express the following fraction in lowest terms. 17 by 51, B is 24 by 144, 126 by 147, 525 by 112. First one. 17 by 51. 17 can be written as 17 into 1. 51 can also be written as 17 into 3. So here the common factor is 17 here. So we can cancel this one, 17, 17. So this lowest terms of this one is 1 by 3. Thus the simplest form of 17 by 51 is 1 by 3. Similarly, B 64 by 144. 64 we can write it as 16 into 4. Similarly, 144 we can write it as 16 into 9. 16 and 16 can cancel numerator and denominator, that is equals to 4 by 9. Therefore, the simplest form of 64 by 144 is 4 by 9. Similarly, C 126 divided by 147. This we can write it as 3 into 7 into 6. And 147 factors are 3 into 7 into 7. Here 3 is common between the both numerator and denominator, 7 also common. So the left out simplest fraction is 6 by 7. Thus the simplest form of 126 by 147 is 6 by 7. D 525 by 112. 525 we can write it as a 7 into 75 and 112 can be written as 7 into 16. Can we cancel 7 and 7 here? Therefore, 75 by 16 is the simplest form of 525 by 112. Thank you.